Don't you wish romance could be so simple? Don't you wish that it would be so easy just to say hello to a pretty girl?
Hi, hoi. Hi. Today I'm gonna commit to trying on all my clothes. Put a small disclaimer before this video starts that I'm not really educated on sustainable brands, and I'm really trying to get into that. So a lot of brands you'll see in this video, the clothing that I own, well, mostly they aren't gonna be from sustainable brands, but I'm trying to better myself. So if you have any good tips or tricks or brands that are sustainable, please leave them down below and I will check it out. Thank you. I'm gonna fit my clothes into 4 different categories: keep, fix, throw away and donate. So let's start sweating.
Can I ask you a question? You can drive and I will read you the directions. Like your smile, like your style, I like hearing all about you. When I go, do you miss me? When I'm gone, do you ever think to kiss me? I said left in a mile, 40 feet is not a mile. I don't always sing in tune, but boy, when you're around, you know my melodies are full of you. I like you even more than a major minor 4. I wouldn't mind if you were knocking at my door. When you're up, come on over, get some sun to the freckles on your shoulders. Take the day, we can play, see which one of us is stronger. There's a couch I'd like to meet ya, and I know someone who'd really like to feed ya. Living room would be doomed without you to come complete ya. It's not my favorite thing. Being far apart was made for brushing teeth and tangerines. But trust this melody from LA to Tennessee. Darling, I think you might be the one for me. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Darling, I think you might be the one for me.
Well, after a lot of sweating and a lot of fitting and getting frustrated because the clothes were inside out, I was done. Yeah. So let's see, this is the mess I made, and they were all inside out, and I gotta fold them out and again, the finished stuff, some things I'm gonna donate, and my cleaned out closet. Thank you for watching. This is my first time speaking in a video, and I am Dutch. I live in the Netherlands, so English isn't my first language, so I hope it isn't too annoying and that you guys help me through the process of improving, because I sit on too much. But thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. I hope. I'm trying to upload every week now, so if you want to subscribe you can. Leave your sustainable tips down below, and thank you. Bye.